I'm like most men, I've got a bunch of tools laying around. And like most men that have a bunch of tools laying around, I have somebody that always reminds me that I'm a slob. They have got my back. And the cell nice yell does. They have sent us a beautiful organizing system for power tools, for cordless power tools.
Have instructions, some installation, some assembly required. It looks like there's 5 steps. Let me put it together, and then we'll go find a place to mount it, put some tools on it. Like this, got holes for screwdrivers, something to do on a rainy day. Step 1, one of those. All right. There's even a tool. There we go. I think that's it. Although I've got 2 screws left over, I don't know.
Comes with wood screws. Now I just have to find a place to put it. I'm at a loss. So I mounted the power tool organizer, the cordless tool organizer over here. I have an open plug next to where I use the air conditioner. I like that rack. Plenty of room for all kinds of tools, screwdrivers and all kinds of stuff. Most important, I now have a place to put my 6 battery charge unit up. Get it out of the way. And I know exactly where my power tools are. It's not in not in that big mess over there. I like that. I think that's a heck of a value. I really like the color. Thank you. You'll like it too.